You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.